You see, late Junior Pope and his crew caused the accident that led to their death. Video evidence surfaced. You see, my listeners, I told you people that something, something led to this. In the video, it was shown where Junior Pope and his crew went shirtless, noising and screaming. I don't know what has given them that morale to do what they did. What kind of joy are they putting up or trying to experience that has made that has made them to put themselves into this shit? Let's check the content. This is today's news. It was revealed of Jonas Popel and his crew going shirtless as a result of why the accident occurred. Jonas Pope and his crew was spotted in a shirtless action on the boat, singing and dancing. This was as a result of all that they have gone through while shooting in the location. The observer claimed that Pope, who was spotted making a call, shouting as well, was also in the crew. Nigerians react saying that those who were screaming were different. Pope wasn't screaming, but was also involved in the accident. It was a disappointing moment as those who went shirtless, including Pope, are the ones who died in the accident. The surviving Mr. Okafor claimed that he was just ringing a bell in jubilation of their success. This accident happened tragically. It wasn't planned. It was an accident. We experienced what has happened before in the history of Nigeria, he claimed. Both the rank bell, the shirtlessness, the noisiness, let me tell you, there are some things that is not supposed to be done when you are in the river. Has it not been told that there are some other people living under the river? Do you know that? Yes, it has been revealed, both scientifically and spiritually. There are some persons living under the river. So it might be that by that noisiness, by the ringing of that bell, by the pulling of their shirt, it may be that they are disturbing the peace of these people under the river. So a lot of reasons might be attached to this. Oh, my people, I beg, make I quickly hear from una mook. I know wetin una too get to talk about. Make you no be like say na only me dey talk am. I beg, make una no forget to leave una comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription button as well as bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos.